right, so the first thing I want to show you is how to do your PDFs as a classified. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, add new, and this of course is after you sign in, and then you put, let's do test classified. And then what you would do is you would go here under uncategorized, because you don't want it to show other than where you want it to be placed. So in here, we're just going to go with today's date, which is the 9th, as the publishing date. We're going to add it. And then here is where you drag and drop or upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a PDF that I can upload. Let's see here. Let me go in here. Maybe I can find one easy. So I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm just going to do one PDF. And let's just say that your PDFs are 1 to 2 pages, like you had said. You would just put both of them here, or if it's in a single file, you could put that there as well. And then you'll have this conversion bar. And of course, the more, the larger the file size, the longer it will take to upload. But once this is all done, up here, you have this permalink. And I'm actually going to copy that. It doesn't go live until you hit the publish button, but it's there as soon as you start this, and it has a name that it can go off of. And this is the link that we're going to use in your menu. So once this is done converting, I'll show you exactly what to do next. Okay, you're going to get this, and it's okay to hit leave, because what that means is it's just refreshing that it has selected that PDF, and you can actually see a preview. So now that I have everything done, I'm going to hit publish. And it just takes a second or so. Okay, it's been completed. So now I'm going to go and open the main menu and then go to the dashboard here for your home page. Now, what you would like to do is go to Customize. You're going to go to Menu. You want to go to Main Menu. And then for this here, you could change this to where it is a custom URL, which I'm going to show you how to do. So you go to Add a Widget, go to Custom. Let's see if I can find it. Let's go. Okay, classifieds. Just want a URL. Custom link. Perfect. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your permalink here, and you're going to go to classifieds. And then each week, you could just come right in this menu and paste a new one. Or we could create a page for your classifieds to be housed. And that way it'll always show. So let's add that to the menu. And we're going to drag it underneath of where classifieds are. I'm going to hit publish. And then if you go to classified, click here. There you go. You can maximize it and make it bigger. So if that was your classified section, you would be able to see it in true life. And you can actually minimize this and have it full screen. We could also change it to where if you want them to, they can download it, so they can put it on an e-reader or their phone, or they could print it. If you don't want them to have that capability, just let us know. All right, so now we're going to go right back to the home page, and I'll show you another place where you can do the classified. So if, for instance, you wanted to go ahead and put it here underneath your e-edition instead of in the menu. So if you wanted to have them to have the quick ads and then the place an ad, You don't want to confuse them by looking at the classifieds. I mean, we could put view classifieds, but we could also put it under here as well. So you would go to customize. And like I said, this could also be part of like a special section or a gang page like we used to do, where we would have gifts under $100 and just pick some of our classifieds. It was fun for some of our customers. You would go to widget, and then you want to go to default sidebar. So for here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to custom link again. See if it pulls it up. No. Link. Find it. Let me see if I can find it down here. All right, so let's find the right widget here. I apologize. Usually it comes right up. All right, so let's do. Let's try that. Maybe this will work. No, that's not it. There we go, delete. Let me see if I can find it again. There we go. We can use this one here. All right, so if you used uncategorized, I'm going to do one. And of course, if you do this each week, you could actually create a subcategory for your classifieds, and I can do that for you. Just let me know. And then you just do classifieds. And let's do a slider and hit done. And let's place that underneath of the e-edition. And this is what it should look like. And there you go. So this right here, if you had your classifieds, we could actually put it right here, right underneath of this. So that way you have it very convenient for people to look at, and we could always change it if you have an advertiser. All right, so this will be the end of this video, and I will be creating a new one to do the AdRotate Pro. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. It's ops@our-hometown.com. So that's O as in Oscar, P as in Peter, S as in Sam, the @ our-hometown.com. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.